Hi guys, this is Anthony at Swansway Chester Peugeot, bringing you a new and improved version of the Apple CarPlay. The idea of this video is to put the idea out there that there was an interesting thing on the radio this morning that 13,000 people a year are prosecuted for using their mobile phones whilst driving. So I'm doing my bit to make sure that that doesn't happen anymore. The interesting thing with all our Peugeots now is they do come standard with CarPlay. Now with an iPhone it is incredible. As you know, Apple do tend to update their phones very, very regularly, and it also brings us so much technology that we can take to our cars. It's very simple. We just literally plug our USB in and plug our phone in. Okay, ideally if we do that before we set off, there'll be no fines coming your way. Then we can see the new layout. It gives you your navigation, the music that you happen to be playing, and then obviously we can utilize these amenities that come with the sat nav. So for example, we are at the moment, we are driving down the road, we want to fuel our car, so we can quite simply just press on the fuel and it tells me what petrol stations are in my immediate vicinity. Awesome. Same goes with various other things like parking. If we are struggling to find a parking space, then we can pick one of those. It tells us how to get there. It's as good as a TomTom. And the nice thing with this is this comes through most of our ranges, so from 108 right the way up to our top of the range models. So it doesn't matter how much you're looking to spend, Peugeot will not compromise on quality. They make sure that all our customers have all the amenities available. We can also play our music. We can still look at our navigation. We can go straight to nav if we choose to. And it's very easy to search postcodes, and we can use voice recognition. We can type it in manually. Now ideally guys, we want to be coming away from using our phones and doing as much as possible to keep our eyes on the road. So we can quite simply use Siri for everything as well. For example, hey Siri,
I'm listening.
Call Alan Dugan.
Calling Alan Duggan, mobile.
And away it goes. We're not going to make the phone call, but as you can see, it's very, very easy to use. I am available most days, so if you have any queries or questions in regards to the Apple CarPlay, I like to think of myself as a little bit of a whiz on it. But by all means, call in at Swansway Chester Peugeot. Give us a call on 01244 398 600, and I would be happy to help you in any way I can. Thank you for listening to my CarPlay demonstration. If you need anything else, thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.